Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are all fine. Our previous video was on introduction and branches of physics. As being good student, I expect that you have learned physics and its branches. Today we will discuss about physical quantity and its type. After this class, you will be able to understand about physical quantities and its important in physics. Our world is full of material objects. In physics, certain properties of matter are measured and its result examined. Question arises, what is measurement? Measurement is the assignment of a number to a characteristic of an object. Now our discussion is on measurable characteristic of object called physical quantities. A physical quantities is a property of material or system that can be quantified by measurement. Here quantified means measure the quantity. There are two characteristics of measurable quantities. They are magnitude and unit. Let's understand by examples. Vertical length of object is called its height. In first example, student height is 100 centimeter. It is magnitude and centimeter is the unit of height. In second example of book, here we discuss two new quantities that are area and volume. Area of the book is product of its height and width. Volume is the book is product of area and its depth. We can say that an object has many type of quantities like length, mass, volume, weight, etc. Quantities are further divided into two groups, base quantities and derived quantities. Base quantities cannot be defined any other physical quantities. Base quantities are foundation for other quantities and they are 7 in number. 7 base quantities are length, mass, time, electric current, temperature, amount of substance and luminous intensity. Derived quantities are expressed in terms of base quantities and they are several in numbers. Derived quantities get through multiplication and division of base quantities and has a particular formula like that. Area is the product of length and breadth. Volume is the product of length, breadth and height. Density is a ratio between mass and volume. Mass is a base quantity but volume is a derived quantity. Velocity is the ratio between displacement and time and both are base quantities. Acceleration is the ratio between velocity and time and velocity is a derived quantity but time is a base quantity. Force is the product of mass and acceleration. Mass is a base quantity but acceleration is also a derived quantity. Here is your assignment.